Cozyla just launched a new AI update, and here is how you can use it to plan and organize your day more efficiently. Starting with a calendar, Cozyla can help you to quickly create events or even brainstorm ideas for the whole family, like planning a weekend getaway.
Hello again! What should we take care of next?
Hey Cozyla AI, please recommend me some fun outdoor activities we can do together with the whole family on Saturday afternoon from 3 p.m.
That sounds like a lovely Saturday I've suggested. Family park games, picnic from 3 to 5 p.m. Neighborhood walk, ice cream stop from 5 to 6 p.m. You can adjust locations or It looks like you are planning a family outdoor day on April 18th with games and a picnic.
There you go. Moving on to the task app, you can create routines and chores in just a few seconds or set up rewards to stay motivated. Please add as an afternoon routine for Evelyn to do homework every day.
It looks like you've added a daily afternoon routine for Evelyn to do homework. Keep up the...
There you go. You can also get suggestions based on your interests and goals, making it way easier to build consistent habits. Can you please suggest me some chores that Oliver can do on a daily basis starting from today to build more responsibility?
I've set up a set of simple, daily chores for Oliver. Things like making his bed, clearing dishes, helping wipe the table, putting toys away, and feeding pets to gently build responsibility. Oliver has been diligently helping with chores from April 14th to April 30th, including clearing dishes and wiping tables.
There you go. And with Cozyla, you can also plan your meals for the whole week. The Cozyla AI can suggest you ideas based on ingredients, calories, or preferences like gluten-free or vegetarian options, and you can add them directly to your meal plan. I would like to eat some vegetarian breakfast that is high in protein on Saturday. Can you please recommend me something?
Nice idea for Saturday. I've suggested 3 vegetarian, high-protein breakfast options for that day. Greek yogurt, power bowl, veggie egg, cottage cheese.
This looks good.
You added a delicious veggie egg and cottage cheese scramble for breakfast on April 18, 2026.
There you go. For an even quicker access, you can enable the Cozyla AI shortcut in the settings and add it to your home screen, so you can access it right away whenever you need it. You can also choose from the suggested prompts or type your own using the keyboard. The Cozyla AI is simple and very easy to use, but you will notice the difference it makes in your life, keeping your whole family together.